Make sure all screws are properly screwed in and that the plaster walls are properly fitted. Cut away any damage. Where two plaster walls without a joint seam meet, you need to cut away the edges. Spackle the cut seam with Spackle. Use plaster for cracks and damages larger than 3 mm. Plaster dries faster than Spackle. Let it dry. Sand and wipe away any sanding dust. Attach the joint tape on top of the seam with glue. Let it dry. Spackle the joint seams. Always use 2 spackles, one smaller that fits in the bucket and one larger to hold the spackle with. Press the joint tape into the spackle before it dries. Always use joint tape made of paper. They're steady in all directions. Add another layer with spackle directly. Don't forget to spackle all nail heads and small holes. Place the spackle on a smaller surface the first time and then a larger surface the next. You don't need to sand in between, but keep in mind to spread the spackle thoroughly. Let the spackle dry. Add one more layer with spackle and let dry. Use corner protection if the walls have outer corners. It'll protect against wear and tear. Spackle the inner corners. Fold a joint tape 90 degrees and place it in the inner corner in the wet spackle. Be thorough when sanding. Use a sanding tool together with an extension pole. And don't forget to use respiratory protection. Wipe away the sanding dust with a microfiber cloth. Finished. Now you can start to paint the wall or hang wallpaper.